Sustainability is meet the need of present without compromising the future generations' ability to meet their needs. So with this presentation, we'll see how Convenient Food Lanka PLC follow the sustainability practices within there. Convenient Food Lanka is a Sri Lankan food manufacturing conglomerate that produces high quality confectionaries and convenient nutrition. Their story started in 1968 with protein enriched care biscuit created in collaboration between Sri Lankan government, Ceylon Biscuit Limited and Care USA to combat malnutrition in school children. Since then, they have worked closely with the communities in every part of the country to understand food need and to apply their core values to making food with purpose that truly enrich lives. Since their inception, they have been committed to making delicious food of the highest quality for every family to enjoy through brands that stand for caring, quality, innovation, and integrity. Through their award-winning brand, they have made nutrition convenient with good food choice for everyone to enjoy. Through their everyday action, they are taking steps in the communities to create meaningful access to growth opportunities, better livelihood, and sustainable growth. Convenient Food Lanka PLC is highly prioritized on EGS, that means environmental governance and social sustainable practices. When it comes to environmental practices, they are highly prioritized on reduce the carbon emission in their production and improve the biodiversity. When it comes to social practices, they are trying to improve working environment and human well-being. In the governance practices, they are trying to safeguard corporate reputation and sound internal control. And they are defined their EGS on 5 pillars. Those are their production and nutrition, community empowerment, sustainable sourcing, environmental action, and governance practices. So their ultimate sustainable goal is to ensure the social, responsible, ethical, and sustainable business practices through their entire value chain. So there is a small video clip that emphasizes their sustainable practices, and you can watch that now, and then we will discuss the economic governance and social, ethical, and environmental sustainability characteristic one by one. Let's move to the video.
Our story started with a biscuit called Care, which paved the way for a journey of food with purpose that can make a difference in our world. From farm to table, our food journey creates meaningful growth in communities across our value chain and in every part of Sri Lanka. Our network of 13,000 plus conventional and organic farmers grow the greens, grains, fruits, coconuts and spices that are used across our brands. We support our farmer family to grow for the future. CBL's dedicated agriculture teams on the field train and support our farmers to improve quality and yield and adopt agriculture best practices to reduce our impact on our planet. Through our products and our brands, we're helping to build better eating habits, addressing community food needs and giving every home good food choices for every meal and snack in between. We're continuously changing and automating our processes towards cleaner production. And taking strides, big and small, to conserve our resources for the future. This also means taking responsibility for the waste we create and taking measures to reduce, recycle, redesign and find sustainable alternatives towards a circular economy. Through our everyday actions, our brands have become a catalyst to create diverse, inclusive, healthy and happy communities. We're supporting better livelihoods and strong diverse partnerships that are geared for growth. We are empowering women in our value chain. families with disabilities. We want all Sri Lanka's children to have equal access to education, so we are working to prevent early school dropouts and to give our rural villages better access to growth. There's a lot to do, but we are united in our commitment and our purpose to make food that truly enriches lives for a sustainable future.
In economic sustainable performance, they are highly aligned with 8 and 13 sustainable goals. When it comes to the company's revenue, it has increased by 51.5% of the year 2022. This growth was mainly supported by introduction of spices range with increased sales of soya. From the company revenue line includes sales from Lanka Soy, Sera, Nutrilite and Tetos brand. When it comes to earning per share, it was increased than previous year. You can see that graph, and so according to this statistic we can identify that how they achieve sustainability in economic performance when it comes to financial activities. When it comes to non-financial activities, they are highly focused on research and development, and they have invested on research and development more than the previous year. So, research and development is the culture in their business model, and it is one of the key drivers putting a country on a developing path and maintaining sustainable economic growth. So, innovation underpins the process of bringing their novel product to the market. Most of the innovation in their business aim to transform into sustainable innovation, and they have introduced 10 new products to their product line. With that, they have achieved best workplace among 14 companies, and they have won the manufacturing large award at Sri Lankan National Quality Award. So that's how they achieve the sustainable economic performance. In governance, sustainable performance, they are highly aligned with 16 and 8 sustainable goals. In the board of directors of Convenient Food Lanka PLC aspire to observe the highest standard of corporate governance across the organization in order to fulfill their responsibilities toward their shareholders, employees, customers, and other stakeholders by meeting their business objective through integrity and professionalism. So this is the Convenient Food Lanka PLC's governance structure from their annual report. There are four core principles in their corporate governance structure. Those are accountability, transparency and assurance, interdependence, leadership, and stakeholder management. So their corporate governance structure uphold the best interest of all their stakeholders, and they continuously evolve and adapt practices that ensure sustainable growth and value to strengthen their core business and contribute to the national development goal. So with these kind of practices, they are achieving higher sustainable in their governance practices. In social sustainable performance, they are highly aligned with first, second, third, and 11th sustainable goals. CFL always focuses on the quality of the product, and when they are manufacturing, and they are thinking it as their core value. As they are their slogan is, "We strive with the passion to deliver higher value and satisfaction through our product and service." Also, their employees are committed to align with these core values. And CFL is the pioneer in textured soya protein manufacturing, and in addition there are other convenient food products like spices, ready-made snacks, breakfast cereal, soup mix and instant kottu. The company is certified for ISO certificate like ISO 9001, 14001 and GMP certificate, HSEC certificate, and most of the product are qualified for SLS certificate as well. And they are use high quality raw materials sourced both locally and internationally, and they are assure The raw material comply with the local legal and regulatory requirement, and the packaging materials are also safe for the food packaging, and they are obtaining the raw material and packaging material from quality supply which are selected by the company development stringent criteria. In addition, the manufacturing process is regularly inspected by the quality assurance team in order to assure that the safe and quality product are manufactured. CFL CSR strategies mainly focuses on uplift the future generation by spreading knowledge and conducting social development programs. They are putting a wider commitment on the CSR activities. Also, CFL reaches out the community through corporate philanthropy as well. There is a separate budget is allocated for these kind of CSR activities. So when it comes to customer complaints, there is a dedicated quality assurance department under the supervision of quality assurance manager, and has been set up to handle customer complaints. These complaints are recorded in the customer feedback complaints register, and those are transferred to the customer feedback complaint reports, and these complaints are handled within 24 hours as well. So that's how they achieve higher customer satisfaction. When it's come to employee health and well-being, their human capital remains the greatest strength, and they are providing a motivational workplace atmosphere for their employees. CFL is also able to attract and retain the best and brightest talent in the industry. Their employees are the heart of their operation, and the company is committed to enhance the employees' experience and benefit by creating truly great place to work. These are the main activities they are done for uplift the employees. Those are providing equal opportunity for employees, work-life balancing, training and development program, occupational health and safety program, employee welfare and social events, performance management system. So with that, they have achieved the higher sustainable performance. According to the annual report, we can see that they have highly invested on health and safety program at the workplace, because they have reduced number of injuries starting 12 from 2018, and it reduced to 2 by 2022, and also they have reduced the lost time accident during the year as well. When it comes to training and development program, they have highly invested on this training and development program than the previous year, and also we can see that average training hour also reduced because they have applied new technologies on this training and development program. So you can see that how they have achieved sustainability in social performance. In environmental performance, you can see they have achieved number of sustainable goals. So when it comes to CFL, they are highly committed to uphold its environmental management system in cohesive manner, and also every department playing vital role toward its environmental agenda. So these are the main pillars of their toward sustainable environment. Those are energy management, raw material and package material management, emission management, water management, waste management, and recycling, and also they are conducting various projects to achieve this environmental sustainability. Those are Eco Friday, Project Promise, the Pet Bottle Collecting Project, Tree for Life Project, and World Environmental Day celebration. The health of the environment lies at the core of the brand's business strategy, and the company works tirelessly in the area of energy, water, waste, with comprehensive plan detailing goal, milestones, and mitigation strategy in order to reduce the emissions. When it comes to CFL, they are also doing periodic monitoring of the boilers, cleansing of service nozzles, and replacement diffusers to reduce emissions. So according to the sustainability report, they have reduced energy consumption higher than the previous year, and also they have reduced the water consumption to achieve sustainability. So that's how they achieve sustainability in environmental performance. In ethical sustainable performance, they are highly aligned with 13th and 11th sustainable goals. From the inception of the company, people and the planet have been the heart of CFCL's operation. Being a mere tool in the entire production process of quality TSP, Convenient Food Lanka take extra measure to safeguard and protect the environment. Ethical behavior is a key principle upon which the company is built and creating an impact beyond the realm of profit maximization in an integral part of the value. These environmental friendly practices like minimizing dust, reduction energy consumption, reduce noise pollution, reduce carbon footprint, reduce water consumption and waste management have lead toward tangible and intangible benefit for the company. So that's how they achieve sustainable and ethical performance. In summary, Convenient Food Lanka has made significant step in sustainability across multiple dimensions. Economically, the company has shown strong growth through innovation and sustainable product development. In governance practices, they ensure integrity and professionalism, upholding higher standards for all stakeholders. Socially, CFL focuses on high quality production, community upliftment, and employee well being, fostering a motivated workforce and loyal customer base. Environmentally, they adhere to stringent environmental policies, reducing energy and water consumption while promoting sustainable practices. And ethically, CFL remains committed to safeguarding both people and the planet, embedded ethical behavior in all operation. This comprehensive effort illustrates the CFL's dedication to sustainable growth and its role as a responsible corporate citizen. Thank you.